Look at this. It's snowing, but because it's melting right away, it's wet. It's make everything look like rain, right? This guy car next to me cover. My car is semi-cover, so I have to look at. Yeah. When the snow hit my hand, it's very cold. Snow hit my hands, very cold. You gotta be careful because maybe this snow is not really snow. It could be one of those where you take the light, like fire, and you burn it, and it won't burn. Wow, this is crazy, son of a gun. This is a rarity. During the winter, I don't do this. Right now, it's kind of cold, but then it's also warm enough that I don't wear gloves. But in the cold, Minnesota weather, you have to wear gloves, okay? Right now, I don't have to. Yeah. Crazy, man. This is just crazy. I don't like doing it, but I have to before I can drive. See, what happened is I turned off the heat out in my nail salon. And with this cold, I have to turn back up, otherwise things could get frozen and the pipe and all that. Look this crazy. Look at this. Whoa.